Where are these children?
70 years old
People
man.
think you will kill me. It's time for your injection, oh. Come and take your injection.
God have mercy upon us.
Time for your injection. If you hear your name, you come out. I will treat it your fuck up. Paulinus. Paulinus.
God have mercy upon us.
Where is he? Oh, Shaolin style. Stay here, I'm coming. Magnus. Magnus. Like in the ego shadow. Oh, yeah. Stay here. Romanus. Oh, I already know you are from Ugwa, so I don't need to showcase your talent. Stay here. Angelus. Angelus. Come and stay here. Shimbo and Jumbo.
What type of plane is this?
God have mercy
Shimbo
upon us.
and Jumbo. Have they gone out again? Oh, they went for training. Tell them to come and take their injection. Oh, let's stay here. Stay here. Wait there, I'm coming. Ignatius.
Why are you running?
No problem. Just be coming out. Just stay here. Anus. Come and get GK challenge shop. Anus. Where is she? Oh, you don't want to learn how to walk. You don't want to walk. No problem. Come and stay here. At least you are useful. Use your bomb to clean the shop for me. Stay here. I'm coming.
God have mercy upon us.
Augustinus. Where is she? Augustinus. Oh, she's sleeping.
What be this? Jesus.
No problem. It's time for your injection. So stay here. I'm coming. People think you will give me BP.
Before you know that.
Just stay here. The children should stay one place now. Should we have called all your names? Stay one place and take your injection. Not give anybody here card because give one fence. Yeah. Just be jumping all the walls. Osa. And you stay one place. But listen, that's the way we believe. What is why Jesus? You can't go no soon. You shouldn't left your mother's house just to come and give me BP. It will not work. And they're going to check my BP. Let me go and check my BP because this is too much for me.
God have mercy.
You children will not stay one place, okay? You will not stay one place. You want to kill me. See, at my age, 150 over 120.